Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds are the ultimate earbud experience. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the controls. Both earbuds feature a touch surface and have the same capabilities. Using simple swipes and taps, you can control music playback, answer calls, and switch modes. Let's take a look. A single tap allows you to pause or play your music. Double tap to skip forward and triple tap to skip backward. Slide your finger up the earbud to increase the volume and slide down to decrease it. A single tap will also answer an incoming call. Double tap to end a call or to decline an incoming call. And finally, if you touch and hold an earbud, you will activate a shortcut. By default, both earbuds are set to cycle through your listening modes. To customize your shortcuts, open the Bose Music app and then tap the shortcut button. You can enable or disable a shortcut for each bud individually, and you can choose the same or a different one for each bud. You have several choices for what your shortcut can do. It could cycle through your modes, change the immersive audio setting, or access your mobile device's voice assistant. Let's set our left shortcut to cycle through modes and take a look at modes now. Return to the main screen and then tap Modes. By default, there are 3 modes: Quiet, Aware, and Immersion. Quiet mode provides full noise cancellation with Bose optimized stereo audio. Aware mode plays stereo audio with full transparency, so you can hear your surroundings and your music at the same time. Immersion mode uses our highest noise canceling level and plays immersive audio in the motion setting. In addition to these modes, you can also create up to 7 custom modes. Tap the plus button and then select a name for your mode based on how you plan to use it. Now you can combine your preferred noise cancellation level and immersive audio setting into a single mode. Tap Done to save your mode. Now you can quickly switch to any of your audio preferences by tapping one of the modes. However, also note the stars next to each mode. Tapping a star will favorite or unfavorite a mode. The modes that you favorite are the ones that will be accessible using the shortcut on your earbuds. When you touch and hold the earbud to activate your shortcut, a voice prompt announces each mode in a loop.
Quiet, Aware, Immersion.
When you hear the mode you want, release the earbud. You can save up to 10 favorite listening modes to cycle through. Finally, the earbuds are equipped with sensors to identify when you're wearing them. When you remove an earbud, audio will automatically pause in both earbuds, and the noise canceling level adjusts to Aware mode. To resume audio, reinsert the earbud. Or, if you want to use a single earbud, just tap the earbud that's still in your ear. Using motion detection and to conserve battery, your earbud will go to sleep if it hasn't been in use for 10 minutes. To wake the earbud, insert it into your ear. You can also answer an incoming call just by inserting an earbud. You can enable this feature and manage your other in-ear detection preferences within the settings of the Bose Music app. That's been an overview of some of the controls on your Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds. For additional support, visit our website.